Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need rainbow, clear, and black pony beads, scissors. We might use a needle, a lighter, and a long piece of string. And first, you're going to need to get this base cuff. I will add in the description box the link for this tutorial. After you have this part made, you're going to take a long piece of string and you're going to go through this middle clear bead and we're going to take the two ends and pull the string until it's even on both sides. Okay, once it's even on both sides, we're going to start our pattern. So I'm going to add black, pink, clear, pink, black. Then I'm going to add another black, purple, clear, purple, black. And what you're going to do is go through this clear Okay, now we're going to add black, purple, clear, and purple. And you're going to go across this clear. Okay, on this side we're going to do the same pattern. Black, pink, clear, pink, black, and then black, purple, clear, purple, black. You're going to go through this clear, now we're going to add black, purple, clear, purple, and we're going to go across this clear bead. Now if it's too tight to get in there, you could put your needle on and help you guide it across. Now you're going to pull that tight, and that's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to add black, purple, clear purple, to black, blue, clear, blue, and black. And then you're going to go through the middle clear. And then we're going to add black, blue, clear, and blue. You're going to go across this middle clear. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Black, purple, clear purple, to black, blue, clear, blue, black, and then we'll go through this clear bead. You're going to add black, blue, clear, blue, and then we're going to go across this clear. Pull that tight. We're going to add black, blue, clear, blue, 2 black, green, clear, green, and black. You're going to go through this clear. Oh, I guess we can finish this side first. We'll add black, green, clear, green, and then you go across this clear. We'll do the same thing on the other side. You'll go through this clear. Add a black, green, clear, and green. And we're going to go across this clear. Pull these strings tight. Oh, this is what it looks like so far. We're going to add black, green, clear, green, 2 black, yellow, clear, yellow, and black. You're going to go through this clear. We're going to add a black, yellow, clear, and yellow. And then we'll go through this middle clear bead. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We'll go through the clear. You're going to add a black, yellow, clear, and yellow. And then we're going to go through this clear bead. Pull your string tight. We're going to add black, yellow, clear, yellow, 2 black, orange, clear, orange, and black. You're going to go through this clear, add a black, orange, clear, and orange, and then we're going to go across this clear. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to go through this clear. You're going to add black, orange, clear, and orange, and we're going to go across this clear. and pull that tight. We're going to add black, orange, clear, and orange, 2 black, pink, clear, pink, and black. We're going to go through this clear, then we're going to add black, pink, clear, and pink. You're going to go across this clear. We'll do the same thing on the other side. You're going to go through this clear. Okay, we're going to add black, pink, clear, and pink. Now for this part you don't have to cross it over because we want to tie these. So go ahead and pull your string tight. And then cut that off. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so this turned out way cooler than I imagined. I hope you guys enjoy it and have fun with it. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.